Andy Stamus here with Medicare Mindset. Today's Ask Andy question has to do with your insurance plan ID cards, including your red, white, and blue Medicare card. So, do you get a new ID card each year? First, your red, white, and blue Medicare card. As you might already know, the Medicare card is nothing to write home about. It's just a low-grade cardstock piece of paper. It will get beat up over time. When you initially enroll in Medicare, you'll have a card showing at least Part A on it. And if you add Part B later, you'll get a new card showing Part B. But after that, you don't get a new card every year or on any time interval. You keep your existing card until you need a replacement. So if the card gets worn out or you lose it, you can request a replacement via ssa.gov or medicare.gov. In the video description below, we will link to our other videos on how you can get a replacement. Next up is your Part D prescription drug or Medicare Advantage plan ID card. These cards are a much stronger plastic version. Some years you'll get a new card because your plan might be renamed or a copay is changed, but other years you just keep your existing card and it will work for the next calendar year. Of course, if you need a replacement, you can contact the insurance carrier to make the request. Lastly, we have your Medicare Supplement Medigap plan ID card. Since Medigap plan coverage really doesn't change from year to year, you likely will use the same card forever. You rarely will ever be issued a new card automatically by the insurance carrier. And again, replacement cards can be requested from the carrier directly if needed. If you have a question, you can contact us by sending an email to info@medicaremindset.com or using the contact form on our website. Also, click the videos on your screen to watch more Ask Andy content.